In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify for the year 2025. This step-by-step guide will walk you through making some simple adjustments in your Shopify settings to streamline the checkout process for your customers. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to the Shopify admin panel. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This is the central hub for managing everything related to your Shopify store. From here, we need to navigate to the settings section to start making the necessary changes. Now, on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new page that includes various options related to your store, from payment settings to shipping details. What we need to do next is locate taxes and duties. You should see it among the various settings options in there. Click on it to move forward. Once you've accessed the taxes and duties section, your next step is to enter the global settings page. Each section in Shopify is laid out in a way to guide you effortlessly, and global settings is usually where you will find details that apply across all regions you might be selling to. At this point, you'll see several options related to how taxes are applied in your store. To make checkout more straightforward for your customers, locate the checkbox labeled Include Sales Tax in Product Prices and Shipping Rate. If this option is selected, go ahead and uncheck it to disable adding sales tax to your product prices by default. Additionally, while you're still on this page, look for the Charge Sales Tax on Shipping option. If it's turned on, you'll want to unclick it to turn it off as well. This setting, when enabled, adds tax to your shipping rates during the checkout, something we're adjusting in this tutorial. Additionally, check if the charge VAT on digital goods is switched on. If it is, unclick to turn it off. This ensures that the value-added tax is not automatically applied to digital products if you're dealing in such items. Once you've made all these adjustments, the process is almost complete. Before exiting, don't forget to save the changes you've made. Locate the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the page, and click on it. This action ensures that all your changes are implemented and retained in Shopify's system. And that's it! With these changes, you've successfully removed taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on your Shopify store. These adjustments can make the checkout process much smoother for your customers, potentially leading to a better shopping experience and fewer abandoned carts. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out other tutorials to optimize your Shopify store further.